Welcome back to the Cobra Trading Channel, everyone, where we focus on people, passion, and platforms. I'm Alex Bustos, and today I want to ask you a question. What type of trader are you? Do you have a lot of time on your hands where you can sit at a computer screen all day and watch every single tick? Or do you have a full-time job and you're working and you only have maybe 5 minutes to look at a stock once a day? Or do you have no time at all where you can only look on the weekend and plan out a trade? I don't know. You need to know what type of person you are and what kind of time you have, because there's different ways to trade. There's not a one type of trading style that fits all. There's scalping, there's swing trading, and day trading. Now, we've made a video already explaining the difference between day trading and swing trading and went into very good detail. So make sure to go rewatch that one if you have any specific questions. But for this video, we're gonna really quickly highlight each one, give you an idea of what each is like, so that way you can determine which route you should take. Scalping. If you're someone who likes to take a quick move and be done, if you're someone who likes to make sure that you can lock in a profit and not have to worry about predicting the next 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and maybe you only have 10 minutes to trade and you can trade a quick 10 minutes and make a profit, that's something that fits your style, scalping may be the option for you, because scalpers are looking for quick moves in a short time frame. Sometimes they get in and out in the same minute bar. Sometimes in the first minute and then the second minute, they're in and out. We're talking very fast action. If you're someone who doesn't have a lot of time, maybe you're antsy, maybe you don't like to try to predict a big move, maybe you just want to take your profits and run, scalping might be better off for you. Day trading. That is very vague because you could be a scalper and a day trader. When we're referencing day trading, we're referencing more of a bigger move within the same day. So in this case, maybe you take a position and you might hold it for only a couple of minutes, but sometimes you might hold it for 10 minutes, 20, an hour, maybe 2 hours. In rare occasions, all day. One thing to note with day trading is you need time. You need to be able to look at the computer screen and be able to execute and watch it and be able to make decisions throughout the day. If you have time and you're not stressed about holding the move and holding it for a little bit longer, maybe 5 minutes, maybe 10, maybe an hour, and you have that time on your hands where you can watch a stock, then maybe day trading is better for you. Swing trading. That is for someone who may want to just take one position and hold it for a couple of days, maybe weeks, sometimes months, but you don't have to worry about stressing over it. You don't have to worry about getting in and out in the same day. You can just take a position and let it work. With swing trading, you don't need a lot of time. You can plan your trades on the weekend, you can plan your trades the night before, and you can set alerts to alert you to get into a position or out. So you don't need to be worried all day about a trade. You can just set it and forget it, so to speak. If you're someone who doesn't have a lot of time, maybe you work full time and your job is very demanding. Maybe you have kids at home and you have time to be looking at a stock. Maybe you only have an hour throughout the night or on the weekend. Swing trading might be a better route for you, because when you execute a position, you're usually in it for days, weeks, and sometimes months. So you don't have to worry about watching it every day. In fact, you can set alerts and wait for it to alert you. I'm hoping you're starting to get an understanding that, maybe I fit better over here than over here. Maybe I've been focusing on the wrong lane. I should be on the scalper's lane, right? You need to figure out what best fits you. And if you ever have questions about this at all, don't be afraid to reach out to us at cobratrading.com. Click on the live chat feature and reach out to us. Just let us know like what you're kind of thinking about and what you're pursuing. And maybe you want to try something different. We're here to help you in all ways possible. We want to make this an easy and friendly experience. So don't be afraid to reach out. And now that you kind of have a better idea of where you fit, you can start to cater your education towards that. So that way you can become more focused and learn properly a certain style. I hope you've been enjoying this content. If you do, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified for future videos.